Hi all, I'm Shebin. Registration number URK18cs277. So today I'm going to do arithmetic and looping statements using shell script. That's experiment number 3. So in operating system lab. So just go for the first question. That is just check if it's a number, if it's a palindrome or not. So let's go into the program. It'll be like vi space pali.ext. Oh, I'm so sorry. pali.txt, and then if I'm going, it's like enter the palindrome or not, enter a number, read a, if b is a constant of a is equal to constant of a, sum is taken as 0, r is also equal to 0, and then just using a while loop, if the variable b is greater than 0, if it is like they go for the do loop and they do like r is equal to b modulus expression b modulus 10, and b is equal to expression of b divided by 10, sum is equal to sum divided by into 10 plus the remainder, and then you will get the sum, and then you calculate the check in with the sum if that variable, the first a, the number which we took a, the variable, the number which we are going to type, if it is greater than the sum, that means it's a palindrome. If it's equal to the sum, I'm sorry, if it's same like the sum, and then it is a palindrome. If it is not, it's not a palindrome. So let's just run the program, and once if I get it, it'll be like sh, and I'm just going for 777. It's going to be a palindrome, and if I'm trying something else, if it's like 1587, something like that, it's not going to be a palindrome. Okay, so now let's go for the next program, and that is to check whether if a given number is odd or even, or if it is positive or negative. So just go for that program. We'll just go for vi space OEPN.sh, and then I go into the program. I'm just entering a number, read n, then I'm going to save take a variable rem where the number is modulus by 2, and if it's modulus of 2, that means it's an even number. I'm checking if condition, then it's an even number. If it's not modulus of 2, it's going to be an odd number. And if I go for the next set, if the number, if the iteration, if it's a negative number, okay, no, not iteration, I'm sorry, if it is lt, means if it's less than, it's a binary variable, so if it's less than 0, it's a negative. If it is gt, means if it's greater, the variable is greater than 0, the number which I'm going to give, it's greater than 0, it's going to be positive, else it's going to be neither positive nor negative. Okay, so let's go into it, and then if I'm going for colon wq, I'm sorry, yeah, and then I'm going for sh space OEPN.sh. Yeah, typing a number, let it be 1. It's going to be odd and positive exactly, and then I'm going to do it again, -1, and it's going to be odd and negative exactly. Okay, so let's go for the next program, and that is printing all the square numbers between 1 and 10. That's damn simple. So I'm just going for the program vi space sr.sh, taking a small arrows, just going for it, and then I'm going to do like echo square members. Okay, square members for I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 10, I plus, and then the square numbers. So it should be between 1 and 100, because 10 to 10 is 100, so less than equal to, and then go for the do expression. And for the do expression and go down, it will be like expression of 5 into expression of 5, because squaring it, we're going to find the squares of each numbers between 0 and 10, and then just pasting that, not printing that, I'm sorry, just printing it. Just it's going to show the variable, so they just insert and then escape colon wq, going for the program ss space sr.sh, and then here including 0 and 10, all the squares 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So let's go for the next program, and that is yeah, okay, I'm sorry, that is, yeah, to find the sum of multiples of 3 amperes and 3 amps and 5 below 1000. So I'm using 2 and 3 over here. Let's go for the multiples. Let's go for the program. VI space, which I type. I'm so sorry. Why did I type over there? VI space, VI. Just hold on for a minute. Mult. Yes, mult. Multiples. I'm so sorry. Forgot about that. Yep. But for the program, it's going echo, entering the multiples a and b both. You're reading the variables, and then sum is equal to 0. Going for the expression that's d is equal to expression of a slash into expression of b, and then for loop, and then do for going for the for thing, and then do while loop. Not do loop, and then just c is expression of I modulus expression of b. If the c variable is equal to 0, then sum of expression plus sum of expression of I, sum, that is sum plus I, it's going to be done, and then the sum is going to get reflected into it. So just going for I, just going for escape q, yep, and then I'm just going for sh space mult dot sh, yep, let's go for it. Multiples of a and b, I'm just going for 2 and 5, and all the multiples are going to get shown over here. Yeah, it's like 49,500. The multiples, they added all together, and here's the sum of the multiples of 2 and 5. It's like 49,500. You've done it. Okay, and then just we'll go for the next program, and I guess it is the last one. Yep, it is last one. So you are asked to find the GCD of two given numbers. Input is 25 and 25, 15, output should be 5. Okay, let's go for it. GCD of two numbers. So vi space GCD dot sh, and then I'm just going for it, entering two numbers, a and b. M is equal to a. If b is lesser than m, then m is equal to b. While m is negative, is not equal to 0, is not negative, is not equal to 0, it's like any, so it's not equal to 0. That means I'm going for the do expression. X is equal to expression of a modulus of m modulus m by expression of b modulus m. And if x is equal to 0 and a equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0, then echo GCD of a and b is m. You can save it to m. Yes, if it is equal to 0, and if both are equal to 0, means GCD gets of a and b gets saved into m. If it is not, it gets cancelled. So just going for it, I'm pressing I, escape WQ, yep, and then sh space GCD dot sh, and then what comes is like enter a and b. I'm going to get 25, 15, as I said, it's 5 always. We have 4, 8, 2 is going to be 2. Obviously that's a GCD. Yep. So here ends my program. Yep, this is all done. Yep, so here the result is the basic arithmetic looping statement using shell script on code.color radio are successfully executed and got completed. So here ends my arithmetic and looping statement using bash or shell script, the third experiment. So thanks a lot.